Got it here, weirdest knife ever made. Check this out. A great condition, hard find. I'm looking for very unique knives all the time, and that's definitely one of them. Check this out. So this is Knives, and there's a little lion or something on that picture. What is that? Yeah, maybe a tiger and probably a lion. So check this out. What we're gonna do is flip this over and flip it all the way around and lock it in like that. That's it. And now it becomes a handle right here on the knife end, and you have a bunch of wrenches over here. So 4 wrenches, and looks like actual bottle opener. That's it. So unique. And look, there is actually says 8, 10, 12 and 14 millimeters. And I guess you can hang it on a rope and put it over your neck, or hang it on a carabiner anywhere. Beautiful. Quite hefty, not too heavy. I do like it that it's all metal, so probably will last and stay good for a while. I love the way it folds. Check this out. So overall thick blade, so nice knife, so it could be probably beaten up pretty good. It's not gonna break up on you because it's a really thick blade. Obviously you'll have to sharpen it up every so often. And check this out, look, it just opens all the way out like that and locks it. And it locks over here. Looks like you wanna kinda don't open it this way, because you'll just scratch it up over here. Over time, you see this couple scratches I just put in. So you wanna open it this way, so you only have one scratch. And then flip it over and lock it this way. In the beginning, when I got it, I was a little bit confused. Wait a minute, how do you open it? Is it how it goes? Because I didn't know that this side here actually pushes in and latches in here pretty good. So just hold it tight, you'll be fine. This is so unique. And one more time, open it, swings all the way out like a little arm. So nothing fast about this knife, and that's it. Comes with the knife sheath. I don't know how to pronounce it. I just call them holsters. I know it's not a good name for it. The knife sheath, that's the actual name for it. And there you go, dagger, and all about it right here. So beautiful. Let me know in comments below, what do you think about this knife? Probably perfect for the bicycles, all this wrench and stuff like that. I love it. I definitely can appreciate this unique design of a knife. That's what I collect. I do love high-end, those top brands like Spyderco and Benchmade and Zero Tolerance knives. But sometimes even these brands are amazing as long as they have design pretty amazing like that.